That's fucking crazy. Yeah, my shit is everything good. Everything look good. I don't know. Oh, hold on, I gotta put this shit down. Yo, this is just a test. I'm not even trying to put this up or nothing. I wanna see. I just got the yo, after like, so I got the GoPro back in April, maybe March, I don't know, right? The GoPro 9. So I'm like, yo, I wonder if I could use this shit as a webcam. But I already had my webcam set up and shit with my PC and everything. So I'm like, alright, fuck it, I don't think I could. 'Cause every time you plug it up, it'll just charge. There'll be no picture shown, or like, you know what I mean? You won't see nothing on the screen on the GoPro. So I'm like, alright, fuck it. So today I'm like, yo, I wonder if I could use this shit, you know what I'm saying, as a motherfucking webcam. So I go to YouTube. You already know that's my main source of information. Go up in that motherfucker, boom, boom, type it in. Bunch of videos come out. You gotta download some program there from GoPro. So you know what I'm saying. But it's just weird because it's like my webcam. It's just, you know what I mean. It doesn't. You don't see the whole. You don't see my whole room. But with this one, you see everything. It's like the lens is nuts. And then I don't even know how to fuck around with the lighting. That's way too red. That's way too whatever. See, like right there, that's good. But it's just like right there, that's awesome. And I still feel like I'm a little bit too dark. But I don't know, man. Might have fuck with it, yo. I like it, yo. Damn, this is the last time I played this game. Look. Yo, I don't know. I'm feeling the motherfucking thing. I'm like, and I'm gonna put it up to see, man. Y'all let me know if the webcam or whatever. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I haven't played this game in so goddamn long. Oh yeah, I'm not doing this right now. Okay. Yeah, I'm not doing this right now. But yo, hit that like button. I just want to see if it makes a difference. You know what I mean? Goddamn fucking GoPro costed me. No, like I got the GoPro 9. I had the GoPro 8. That shit fucked up on me, right? I'm not even gonna try to play this game right now, bro. I'm really not. But you can see the background type shit, yo. Like I'm trying to figure. You see the thing right there. So I don't know, man. I had bro. I was like on YouTube for like it's what about to be 11. My ass gotta go to sleep. I gotta go to work in the morning. But I was on YouTube from 9 o'clock at night till now, bro. My son left at 8:30, almost 9. And shit, yo. And it's like, I'm like, alright, I gotta figure this shit out. I'm like, alright, bet. Bro. Not as easy as I thought, bro. And I still feel like I feel like the feedback is not, I don't know. It just feels weird, yo. But, yo, I don't know. I'm about to put it up. Let me know if it look good, if it don't. You know what I mean? Because I felt like on other videos, the gameplay looked good, but my webcam was not really looking right. You know what I'm saying? Hey, listen, I'm just trying to make it on YouTube, man. You know what I'm saying? But hit that like button. Let me know how the camera looks. You know what I mean? I don't know. Ain't nobody watching, so don't worry about it. I'm not expecting no feedback. Joker. Until next time, stay tuned and carry on, everybody.